everyone, welcome back to my channel Shwanika Life and Love, and this is Shweta Verma. I hope you all doing fine and welcome back to another makeup tutorial on my channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a Tuesday makeup look which I inspired by a red and orange color shade, and I'm doing a little bit of orange and yellow shade on my eyes, and I used a beauty glazed eyeshadow palette in this tutorial, and I hope you like my previous makeup tutorial also. Guys, I'm doing a makeup series of days inspired makeup look in which I'm using different colors of eyeshadow. Guys, I also tried a different kind of makeup tutorials in these videos and my previous video and my coming videos also. If you want to see, you can go on to my channel and check out all my videos. And without wasting any time, so please go and subscribe my channel, and if you like this video then please hit the like button. Please press that subscribe button and also a bell button also. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, this is my finishing look and final look of this Tuesday makeover, and I'm doing a series of days inspired makeup looks in which I'm using different color of eyeshadows. Like I used already a Monday makeup look in which I'm used already blue shades, blue inspired shades, and in today's video, in Tuesday's video, I'm used this red and orange shade, and in which I use a little bit of glitter and a little bit of yellowish and golden eyeshadow on my eyes. You can use this makeover and this makeup tutorial in your traditional makeup, in your Durga Puja makeup, or your puja and your engagement party makeup also. Or if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching this video. And before starting this video, go and subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and also watch my previous videos in which I use the Monday makeup look and other makeup tutorials. So guys, in this makeup tutorial I'm used this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette because I'm in love with this palette, क्योंकि इस आई शेडो पैलेट में सारे शेड्स हैं जो कि मेरे को अपने मेकओवर के लिए और इस मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल के लिए ज़रूरी हैं, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे ब्यूटीफुल शेड्स हैं गाइस। और मैंने जैसे कि अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी इसी आई शेडो पैलेट को यूज़ किया था। आई यूज्ड इन मंडे मेकअप लुक इन विच आई यूज्ड ऑल द ब्लू कलर शेड्स, एंड आज भी मैंने इसी के अंदर से कुछ ऑरेंजिश और रेडिश आई शेडो यूज़ करी है। I hope you like this Tuesday makeup look, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. My channel name is Shwanika Life and Love, and go there and subscribe my channel, and do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Shweta Verma 2201, and also follow me on TikTok. My TikTok ID is Shweta Verma 13. I give it on screen, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And that's it for this video guys. Bye, lots of love.